Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a button to your WordPress website. So firstly, you have to go to a browser and search for wordpress.com and just simply log into your WordPress account. As you can see over here, this is my home page. Here we are going to go on the right hand side on a quick links option. Below it is the edit site option. Simply click on the edit site option and it will take you directly to the editor's page of WordPress. After you have reached the editor's page of WordPress, as you can see over here, it might take a while. Here is the editor's page of WordPress. Now we are going to shift our focus to the left hand side. Over here on the plus icon, click on the plus icon which says block inserter, then search for button. As you can see over here, it says button. Now we are just going to drag it to our website over here. As you can see, our button has been added. Now we can simply just write any text we want to in our button option over here. Just simply type in anything you want to, and you can also edit your button according to your needs. As you can see over here, you can write any text you want and edit it in various ways. After you are done editing your button and adding it to your WordPress account over here, you can do it multiple times and add different buttons and different text to your WordPress account over here. Then simply click on save option to save the changes. After you have clicked on save changes, your buttons are permanently added to your WordPress website, and that is how you add button to your WordPress website. Thank you for watching this video. Hope it was really helpful to you guys.